If you're over 60 and you've noticed that your eyes don't feel the same at night, maybe the blurriness lingers longer, lights glare more than they used to, or your eyes feel dry and tired when you lie down, this message is especially for you. Many seniors believe this is just normal aging. But what if part of the problem isn't age at all? It's what your eyes are missing before you sleep. Think about this for a moment. Why do vision problems often feel worse at night? Why do eye doctors say the eyes repair themselves while you sleep? And why do some seniors wake up with clearer vision after certain evenings? Without drops, without pills, without surgery. The answer lies in what happens in your body after dark. At night, your eyes finally stop working. No screens, no sunlight, no constant focus. This is when your retina, lens, and optic nerve quietly begin their repair process. But here's the catch most people don't realize. Your eyes can only repair themselves if the right nutrients are available in your bloodstream before you fall asleep. And tonight, I want to show you one powerful nighttime food, rarely talked about, that gently feeds aging eyes while you sleep, helping protect them from damage, dryness, and decline. Along the way, I'll also share 2 supporting foods that quietly enhance its effects, especially for seniors over 60. Let's start with the most important one. The main nighttime food is steamed purple sweet potato. This is not the regular white or orange sweet potato most people think of. The purple variety is something very special for aging eyes. Its deep violet color is a sign of anthocyanins, the same powerful compounds found in blueberries, but in a form that stays active longer in the body during sleep. Anthocyanins are known to support the tiny blood vessels that feed the retina. As we age, these vessels become weaker and less efficient, which is one reason vision slowly fades. Purple sweet potato helps strengthen these vessels overnight, improving oxygen and nutrient flow to the eyes while you rest. What makes this food especially powerful at night is how slowly it releases its nutrients. When eaten in the evening, it provides a steady supply of antioxidants throughout the night, instead of a quick spike that fades away. This gives your eyes hours of quiet nourishment during their most important repair window. Another benefit seniors often overlook is its effect on night vision. Anthocyanins support rhodopsin, a light-sensitive protein in the retina that helps you see in low light. That's why many older adults notice trouble seeing at dusk or while driving at night. Supporting rhodopsin before sleep helps protect this function naturally. Purple sweet potato is also rich in vitamin A precursors, which are essential for maintaining the surface of the eye and preventing dryness. Dry eyes aren't just uncomfortable. They increase the risk of irritation, inflammation, and infection as we age. Feeding the eye tissues at night helps them stay moist and resilient by morning. Now here's the key. Preparation matters. You don't want this fried, baked with sugar, or eaten with heavy sauces. The best way is lightly steamed, mashed gently, and eaten plain, or with a tiny drizzle of olive oil. Steaming preserves the anthocyanins and keeps digestion gentle, which is important before bed. A small bowl about 60 to 90 minutes before sleep is enough. Seniors don't need large portions. This food works by consistency, not quantity. Many seniors who add this simple habit notice something subtle at first: less eye strain in the morning, slightly clearer vision upon waking, or fewer gritty sensations in the eyes. These are early signs that your nighttime repair system is finally being supported. Now let's quietly strengthen this effect with the first supporting food. The second food is pumpkin seeds, eaten in a small handful in the evening. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of zinc, a mineral that aging eyes desperately need. Zinc helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it's used to produce protective pigments. Without enough zinc, even a good diet can't fully support vision. As we age, zinc absorption drops sharply. That's why seniors are more vulnerable to macular degeneration and slow visual recovery. Eating pumpkin seeds at night ensures zinc is available during the eye's repair phase, not wasted during the busy daytime hours. Pumpkin seeds also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that accumulate in the macula, the central part of the retina responsible for sharp vision. These compounds act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light and reducing oxidative stress. When eaten alongside purple sweet potato, pumpkin seeds help lock those antioxidants into the eye tissues overnight, creating a protective environment while you sleep. Chew them slowly. A tablespoon or 2 is enough. No salt, no sugar coating. Now let's add the third supporting food, one that works quietly but deeply while you sleep. The third food is warm chamomile tea, but not for the reason most people think. Chamomile isn't just for relaxation. It contains compounds that gently reduce systemic inflammation, including inflammation in the tiny vessels of the eyes. Chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the biggest hidden drivers of age-related vision decline. When inflammation stays high at night, the eyes can't fully repair. Chamomile helps calm the nervous system, lower cortisol, and improve blood flow, all of which enhance nutrient delivery to the retina and optic nerve during sleep. There's also another benefit seniors love: better sleep quality. Deeper sleep means longer repair cycles for your eyes. Even an extra 30 minutes of restorative sleep can make a difference over time. Drink chamomile tea warm, not hot, about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. No sugar. If needed, a few drops of lemon are fine. Now imagine this simple nighttime routine: a small bowl of steamed purple sweet potato, a spoonful of pumpkin seeds, a cup of warm chamomile tea. Nothing extreme, nothing expensive. Just steady nourishment during the hours your eyes are designed to heal. This isn't an overnight miracle, but when done consistently, night after night, it supports the natural biology of aging eyes instead of fighting against it. Now that you understand what to eat at night to support aging eyes, let's talk about something just as important: why nighttime nutrition matters more than daytime for seniors over 60. During the day, your eyes are in constant defense mode. Bright light, screens, dust, air conditioning, and strain all trigger microscopic stress inside the retina and lens. Blood sugar fluctuations, blood pressure changes, and even dehydration add more pressure to already aging eye tissues. This is why simply eating healthy foods during the day doesn't always translate into better vision. At night, everything changes. When you sleep, your eyes finally enter repair mode. Blood flow shifts, inflammation lowers, damaged cells are recycled, antioxidants are absorbed more efficiently. This is why eye doctors emphasize rest. But what many don't explain is that sleep alone isn't enough. Your body still needs the right building materials available in the bloodstream. For seniors, this is critical. As we age, digestion slows, nutrient absorption declines, and cellular repair becomes less efficient. That means timing matters more than ever. Eating eye-supporting foods at night ensures that nutrients are present exactly when the eyes are trying to heal. This is where the purple sweet potato, pumpkin seeds, and chamomile tea combination becomes powerful. It works with your biology, not against it. But here's a mistake many seniors unknowingly make. They eat the wrong things before bed, quietly sabotaging their eye health. Let's talk about what to avoid at night if you want to protect your vision. The first thing to limit is sugary snacks before bed. Cookies, desserts, sweetened yogurt, even certain fruits in large amounts can spike blood sugar during sleep. High nighttime blood sugar damages the tiny blood vessels that feed the retina. Over time, this contributes to blurry vision, slow healing, and increased risk of macular degeneration. Another hidden problem is late-night salt. Salty snacks cause fluid imbalance and increase pressure in delicate eye tissues. Many seniors wake up with puffy eyelids or dry, irritated eyes because of what they ate the night before. Alcohol, even in small amounts, is another quiet enemy. It dehydrates the body, disrupts REM sleep, and interferes with vitamin A metabolism, all of which directly impact eye repair overnight. Now, let's shift back to something positive: how seniors can maximize the benefits of nighttime eye foods with a few simple habits. First, consistency beats quantity. You don't need large portions. In fact, heavy meals before bed can disrupt sleep and reduce absorption. A small, steady routine done most nights is far more effective than occasional large servings. Second, timing matters. Eating your eye-supporting foods 60 to 90 minutes before sleep gives your body time to digest and circulate nutrients without disturbing rest. This window allows antioxidants and minerals to reach the eyes right as repair processes begin. Third, hydration plays a role many people ignore. Even mild dehydration reduces tear production and blood flow to the eyes. A small glass of water with your evening routine, not right at bedtime, helps nutrients travel efficiently without causing nighttime bathroom trips. Now let's talk more deeply about why aging eyes respond so well to anthocyanins at night, especially from purple sweet potato. Anthocyanins don't just act as antioxidants, they help stabilize collagen structures in the eye, particularly in the lens. As collagen weakens with age, the lens becomes cloudy and less flexible. This contributes to cataracts and difficulty focusing. By supplying anthocyanins before sleep, you help protect these structures during their nightly maintenance phase. This doesn't reverse cataracts, but it can slow progression and support clearer vision over time. Anthocyanins also reduce oxidative stress caused by blue light exposure earlier in the day. Even if you avoid screens at night, the damage from daytime exposure still needs repair. Nighttime nutrition helps neutralize this stress while you sleep. Pumpkin seeds, meanwhile, quietly support the optic nerve. The optic nerve is especially vulnerable to aging because it relies on steady mineral balance and blood flow. Zinc and magnesium from pumpkin seeds help maintain nerve signaling and reduce oxidative damage. Seniors often notice improved visual focus and less eye fatigue after weeks of consistent intake. And chamomile tea does something subtle but powerful. It improves circulation without stimulation. Many seniors rely on caffeine during the day, which tightens blood vessels. At night, chamomile gently relaxes them, allowing nutrients to reach the retina more easily. Better circulation equals better repair. Now here's something most people never consider. Your eyes don't heal in isolation. They depend on brain health, liver function, and blood sugar stability. That's why seniors who manage these areas often see better vision outcomes. Purple sweet potato supports liver detoxification, which improves vitamin processing. Pumpkin seeds help stabilize blood sugar overnight. Chamomile supports nervous system balance. Together, they create an internal environment where the eyes can finally recover instead of constantly defending themselves. Many seniors report secondary benefits too: better sleep, less morning eye dryness, reduced headaches, and improved focus. These are signs that your nighttime routine is supporting the entire visual system, not just the eyes. In the final part, I'll show you how long it takes to notice changes, who should be cautious with these foods, and how to adjust this routine safely if you're on medication or managing conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure. By now, you may be wondering something very important. How long does it actually take to notice changes in aging eyes when you start a nighttime routine like this? The answer depends on your consistency, your current eye health, and how well your body absorbs nutrients at this stage of life. For most seniors over 60, the first changes are subtle, not dramatic. Within the first 1 to 2 weeks, many people notice less eye strain in the evening, fewer gritty or dry sensations upon waking, and a more rested feeling in the eyes overall. These early signs mean your eyes are finally receiving support during their nightly repair cycle. Around the 3 to 4 week mark, some seniors report clearer morning vision, improved comfort in low light conditions, and reduced glare sensitivity. This is especially common in those who previously struggled with night driving or reading under softer light. By 6 to 8 weeks, the protective benefits become more noticeable. While this routine won't cure existing eye diseases, it can help slow progression, reduce oxidative stress, and support the structures that keep vision stable as you age. This is exactly what healthy aging is about: protecting what you have and giving your body the tools it needs to maintain function. Now let's talk about who should be cautious and how to adjust this routine safely. If you have diabetes, purple sweet potato is generally safer than many starchy foods because of its fiber and slow digestion. However, portion control is essential. Stick to a small serving and avoid adding sweeteners. Pairing it with pumpkin seeds helps stabilize blood sugar overnight. If you have kidney issues, pumpkin seeds should be limited due to their mineral content. In this case, a smaller amount or alternating nights may be better. Always listen to your doctor's advice. If you take blood pressure or sleep medications, chamomile tea is usually gentle, but it's best consumed earlier in the evening to avoid interactions with sedatives. 1 cup is enough, more is not better. For seniors on multiple medications, the most important rule is this food works best as support, not replacement. Never stop prescribed treatments without medical guidance. Nutrition enhances your body's ability to heal, it doesn't override medical care. Now let's talk about something often overlooked: what consistency really means for seniors. Consistency doesn't mean perfection, it means creating a simple routine you can realistically follow most nights. Missing a day doesn't undo progress. What matters is making nighttime nourishment a habit, not a chore. You might prepare purple sweet potatoes in advance and keep them in the refrigerator. Pumpkin seeds can be stored easily and portioned ahead of time. Chamomile tea takes minutes to prepare. Simplicity is what makes this sustainable. Another important factor is environment. Avoid bright screens late at night. Even the best nutrition struggles to repair eyes under constant blue light exposure. Dim your lights, use warm lighting, and give your eyes permission to rest. Nutrition and environment work together. Let's also clear up a common myth that eye health is only about the eyes. Aging eyes reflect overall circulation, nerve health, and inflammation levels. That's why seniors who support their heart, brain, and metabolism often experience better vision stability. This nighttime routine supports all three quietly and naturally. Purple sweet potato supports vascular health. Pumpkin seeds support nerve signaling. Chamomile supports inflammation control and sleep quality. Together, they form a gentle system of protection, not an aggressive intervention, but a supportive one. Now imagine where your eyes will be a year from now. Will they be slowly declining because nothing changed? Or will they be better protected because you gave them nightly support when they needed it most? Aging doesn't mean giving up on clarity. It means being smarter about timing, nourishment, and consistency. Before we close, here's a simple reminder: vision. Loss often happens quietly, but protection can be just as quiet. You don't need expensive supplements, complicated routines, or extreme diets. Sometimes the most powerful support comes from simple foods eaten at the right time. If you found this helpful, take a moment to support your eyes even further. Subscribe to Senior Health today for trusted, natural guidance designed specifically for adults over 60. And if you know someone who struggles with aging eyes, share this with them. It could help protect their vision for years to come. Your eyes have carried you through a lifetime. Tonight, you can start giving something back.